If you've ever tried adding your insurance card to Apple Wallet, you've probably noticed Apple only supports things like credit, debit, transit cards, and IDs by default. But there is a simple workaround, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can access your insurance card right from your iPhone. First, head over to the App Store and search for an app called Store Card. Go ahead and install it. This app lets you add cards that Apple Wallet normally doesn't accept. Once it's installed, open it up. On the home screen, you'll see commonly added cards from other users, but we're going to add our own. Look at the top right corner and tap the Add button. Now you've got two options. Search for your insurance provider by name, or tap on Other Cards if it's not listed. From here, you can either scan your physical card using your phone's camera, or enter the details manually, things like your name, member ID, and any other info shown on the card. After everything looks correct, tap Save. The moment you save it, the card will be added directly to your Apple Wallet, just like your payment cards. You'll now be able to pull it up instantly from your Wallet app whenever you need it. And that's it, a quick workaround to keep your insurance info handy without digging through emails or your physical wallet. If this helped you out, stick around for more easy tech fixes and tips, and I'll see you in the next one.